Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Rufus and the key features you should know, especially if you're new to creating bootable USB drives. If you've ever wanted a reliable, fast, and easy way to install operating systems or troubleshoot computers, this video is for you. And of course, hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips and tutorials. First off, Rufus is fast and lightweight. One of the biggest advantages is that it can turn any USB drive into a bootable installation medium in just a few minutes. Unlike other tools, Rufus doesn't require installation. You just download the program, plug in your USB, and you're ready to go. It's perfect for quick setups, repairs, or multiple installations. Another important feature is compatibility with multiple operating systems. Rufus works with Windows, Linux, and even specialized live USBs for system recovery. Whether you want to install a new OS, test a live environment, or repair a malfunctioning computer, Rufus has you covered. Rufus also supports both BIOS and UEFI boot modes, making it flexible for almost any type of computer. You can also choose partition schemes like MBR or GPT and file systems like FAT32 or NTFS, depending on your needs. These options give you control over how the USB drive is set up and ensure compatibility with different hardware setups. Another feature to note is customization for advanced users. If you know what you're doing, you can tweak settings like cluster size, formatting options, and even create bootable media for older or less common systems. But don't worry, beginners can stick with the default settings and still get excellent results. Finally, Rufus is free and open source, which means no hidden fees, no ads, and a trusted, community-vetted tool. It's reliable, lightweight, and constantly updated to support new operating systems and ISO formats. In short, the key features of Rufus include speed, lightweight portability, multi-OS support, BIOS UEFI compatibility, partition and file system options, advanced customization, and being free and open source. These make it an essential tool for anyone needing a bootable USB drive for installation, troubleshooting, or portable systems. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might need it, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.